Now, one note about mouths, it only can use the mouths that you have. And so notice when you're in rig, if you go to your mouth group, it's tagged for the mouth. And then if you go to each letter of your named letters, and that's why they're named this in Illustrator, they correspond with these mouths in the tags. So if you don't have a mouth for something and you want to use it for two different things, you can attempt to tag multiple. For instance, I actually have one called smile, and it just cannot see. Now, smile and neutral and surprised are what we call camera mouths. So if I come to record and I turn my microphone off, then the only mouths it can use are camera mouths. By the way, it can't ever find my smile. See, look, it goes to my surprised mouth. The camera mouths are not the greatest. Yeah, it never can find me smiling. I don't know how big your smile has to be. But anyway, mine doesn't find my smile. So these mouths are not as helpful as your audio mouths. So audio mouths are much more helpful, but that means you have to have lots of mouths and your mouths need to be tagged. So again, if you don't have a mouth for certain things, certainly go tag those things. So like if my smile, I can't remember which one I don't have. I don't have an E. I don't know, smile and E sound maybe would work. Then I could tag smile to be smile and E. And now I have the E sound and the smile, and I can use that mouth for both. Let's see if E. See, it does E. It does get me. It uses my smile for E. So anyway, you can go in and edit those mouths if you don't have enough mouths and tag some additional ones. But I don't usually do every single mouth. And you can copy and paste mouth groups between Illustrator files. So if you find a puppet that has good mouths, you can just copy and paste that layer folder with all the mouths turned on like we have here and paste it into another document. While they're all grouped, size them down, and then you've got a mouth group that already has all the mouths that you need. So camera mouths, neutral, smile, surprised. The other mouths are audio-based, sound-based mouths. And you do not have to record live. Technically, you could record and then import your music or your sound in here and drag it down like we did the haunted house. And then you would have to go to timeline and compute lip sync take from scene audio. So that way, if you have an MP3 down there or a WAV file down there, it'll compute the lip sync. And then you don't have to sit in a room full of people and say all the words out loud. But you're still going to have to record a take with the microphone turned off so that you can move around, use your triggers, and all that good stuff. And that's just a little bit more about how the mouths work in Character Animator.